never imagined that a simple exploration would lead me to one of the most incredible discoveries of my life. Deep inside an ancient cave, hidden far in the mountains, I found something strange. At first, it looked like just another shiny rock. But when I took a closer look, I realized it was a raw diamond, untouched, still stuck in the stone. The cave was remote. I had to hike through rough terrain just to get there. The walls were glittering with minerals. Then something caught my eye, a different kind of shine. With my flashlight, I saw a small crystal poking out of the wall. I carefully chipped around it. When it came loose, I could feel the weight and clarity. The stone was rough, uncut, and beautiful. It had a glassy surface and a hint of blue. I used my diamond tester, and yes, it passed. Confirmation. I was likely holding a real diamond. I cleaned it with water. Under the sunlight, it sparkled like nothing else. Its shape and shine were unique. This wasn't quartz or crystal. The way it reflected light was incredible. It had to be a diamond. Its shape and shine were unique. This wasn't quartz or crystal. The way it reflected light was incredible. It had to be a diamond. The cave itself has a long story. Local people say it was used centuries ago by old miners, but then abandoned. Some believe strange things happened inside. Others say it was just too risky to keep mining. But no one expected it to hide something like this. I'm planning to take the stone to a professional gem lab for testing and certification. We'll find out exactly what kind of diamond it is. I'm planning to take the stone to a professional gem lab for testing and certification. We'll find out exactly what kind of diamond it is. I'm beyond excited. This is more than just a discovery. It's a moment of real history. A natural diamond found deep in an ancient cave. Sure, here is your text in English without any changes. If you're fascinated by this journey, make sure to like and subscribe. There's still more to uncover, and I want you to come with me. This cave could hold more secrets. This might not be the last diamond I find. Only time will tell. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay safe, and stay tuned for the next big discovery. This is just the beginning of something amazing.